Home Remedies presents Improve your eyesight naturally with this herb of sight. Did you know that fennel is also known as the herb of sight? Yes, fennel seeds contain vitamin C, flavonoid, amino acid, and magnesium which help slowing down the progression of cataracts and improves vision, eyesight. In today's video, I will share with you a remedy to improve your eyesight naturally. Ingredients: fennel seeds 50 grams, coriander seeds 50 grams, rock sugar 50 grams, cardamom 5 grams. Directions: grind 50 grams of fennel seeds and sieve it to remove the wastage. Put aside the powder. Now take equal quantities of coriander and rock sugar and grind to make a powder. Now remove the outer layer of cardamom and grind 5 grams. Mix all the ingredients together and store into a jar. Ingest 1 teaspoon of this powder with lukewarm milk twice a day, morning and evening. You will be able to see positive effects after 5 to 6 months. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.